Hello and welcome to this tutorial series where we are learning C from basic level to pro level. So in the last video we're looking at conditional statements. We've looked at conditional statements. We look at switch the if else case. We look at the nested if. We looked at the switch case. We even built a simple calculator. So in this video we're going to be looking at loops, and in loops we have the for loop, the while loop, the do while loop. Now loops allow us to repeat. Right, they allow us to run a block of code or to execute a block of code repeatedly given certain condition is true. So we'll start right away with the for loop. We'll look at the syntax. So definitely I'm going to put the syntax for the for loop as it has the initial value, semicolon, the condition, semicolon, and then you have the increment. Then in between now, you have your code. So I'm going to put this in a comment, right, so that it doesn't print me errors. So basically we can use this. So I'm just going to make a very simple program. So I'll just do for integer I equals to 0, I less than or equals to I less than 5, I plus plus, and then I'm just going to print I. The value of I is %d \n. So now how is this one going to execute? So it's going to start from I equals to 0. Then it's going to check is 0 less than 5. Yes, 0 is less than 5. So it's going to print out the value of I is 2.0. So now, and then after that I will increment from 0 plus 1, so I becomes 1. So it will execute the second time again. Now when I is 1 is less than 5, then it's going to print out the value of I is 2.1. Now this will continue like this until when I goes to 5, and then we're going to check is 5 less than 5. No, so the condition stop. So basically this is what is going to happen. So it's going to print from 0 to 4. Right. So if I run this, we're going to have it execute from 0 to 4. Oh my god. So I'm missing out I again, right? Yeah, like that. So this is basically the way the for loop works. So now I'm going to do an example also with the while loop, right? So we're going to see that it's basically going to do, so let me do integer